Do you want to broadcast your Microsoft Teams meeting live in the easiest possible way? With the custom streaming app, you can send your meeting straight into Quickchannel Live Studio in just a few steps. How to do it? Very easy. First, set up Quickchannel. Log in into your account. Make sure you have two RTMP channels. Channel 1 has to be mirror. This will connect to Teams. Channel 2, normal. This will be used to create your event. Create your event in Live Studio. Select Channel 2. Inside Live Studio, click Add Studio Channel. Copy the mirror RTMP address that appears. Now go to Teams and start your meeting. Open Apps, Custom Streaming, and paste the stream URL in the stream key. Start streaming. Back in Live Studio, add the RTMP channel. Once the signal appears in the preview, just click Go Live to start your broadcast. And that's it. In just a few minutes, your Teams meeting in streaming live with Quickchannel. Simple, fast, and hassle-free.